Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen on the Clipchamp application. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the Clipchamp application if you already have it downloaded into your PC. Of course, if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through any browser you are currently using. You must have been downloaded something on your PC before, so it will be the same steps, don't worry. And of course, if you are a Windows 11 user, the Clipchamp application will be actually downloaded per default into your PC. If you are a Windows 10 user, you will some users will have it downloaded and some users will not. So of course, if you have it downloaded, just go and open it up as I'm going to do here, and let's just wait a bit until it's opened. And of course, once it's opened, you will have to log in into your account. And of course, if you don't have an account, just go and create one to start using the application. And they actually the application of course is actually free, but you can pay for a subscription if you have more features or if you want more features with the application. And of course, once the application opens, you can actually create a new video or record something using the Clipchamp application. And let's take an example here. We're going to actually create a new video, or we can actually just choose some of my videos here. Of course, you can even use some of their videos. So of course, once I normally just delete whatever I have here. Of course, you can even delete this, and let's just even delete this as well. And here, let's just choose some of their stocks videos. Let's say an example. We're going to use here one of their videos as we said, and let's say it's gonna be this one. You can just add it to timeline as you can see here, and it will be added directly here, and we'll be able to start editing on it. So of course, if you want to actually use that or remove the green screen, we can just go and click on it, then go to filters, and here you will normally find a green screen filter, yeah, and it will actually remove the green screen. But of course, if you don't have it, that means you will have to upgrade to get all the features on the application, so you'll be able to remove it. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.